Namibia, a land where survival is woven into every breath, every heartbeat. In this vast desert stretching beyond the horizon, nature's secrets are buried in the sands, guarded fiercely by time and elements. Each grain of sand whispers stories of strength, of creatures who defy brutal odds every single day. Here, the wind carries more than dust. It carries the echoes of battles, fierce and unrelenting, where animals fight for every precious moment of life. This is Namibia, where every dawn brings a new chapter in the age-old dance of survival, resilience, and the relentless will to live. It's more than a place. It's nature's stage, and each life here is a testament to the unstoppable power of survival. Namibia, a land that stretches across 824,000 square kilometers. Vast and mysterious, yet sparsely populated with just 2.7 people per square kilometer. It's a country defined by contrasts, where nature reigns supreme, carving out two stunning deserts, the Namib and the Kalahari. These aren't just stretches of sand. They're natural wonders, each with its own story of survival and resilience. The Namib Desert, ancient and otherworldly, is home to the tallest sand dunes on Earth, rising like giants against a fierce landscape. Here, survival is a relentless fight, yet black rhinos and desert elephants have adapted to thrive, defying the odds every single day. Then, there's the Kalahari to the east, a desert that reveals an unexpected richness, from barren sandscapes to lush bush forests, where life, despite all odds, fights to endure. What makes Namibia one of the world's rarest, most resilient ecosystems? It's a delicate, almost miraculous balance of natural forces, searing heat, barely 269 millimeters of annual rainfall, and unpredictable climate shifts that test every creature. And as we journey beyond these harsh deserts, Namibia's towering plateaus and isolated inselbergs emerge as life-giving oases, standing firm amidst the unforgiving sands. In the harsh wilderness of Namibia, survival is nothing short of a miracle each creature a testament to resilience and adaptation in one of Earth's most unforgiving environments. The animals here, hardened by the relentless heat and scarcity of water, have become masters of survival. They've learned to stretch their endurance to extraordinary lengths, their instincts honed to detect even the faintest trace of water. And the plants, equally tenacious, have evolved in astonishing ways. Their roots dive deep and spread wide, reaching through the dry earth to tap into hidden reserves, while their sparse leaves capture every precious drop of mist and dew from the air. Here, life has transformed scarcity into strength and struggle into beauty. This ecosystem is more than a landscape. It's a living, breathing testament to nature's brilliance, where each animal, each plant has carved out its place in this delicate balance, thriving against all odds in Namibia's relentless, awe-inspiring wilderness. In the vast, unforgiving sands of the Namib Desert, the desert oryx stands as a true testament to nature's relentless spirit. This majestic animal, with its sleek build and strikingly long sword-like horns, is not only an icon of Namibia, but also a symbol of sheer survival against the odds. Each horn, extending up to 4 feet, is a deadly line of defense that even lions and hyenas hesitate to challenge. These aren't just tools for survival. They are a legacy of resilience honed through generations, turning the oryx into one of the most feared and respected creatures of this arid landscape. But the oryx's strength isn't just in its horns. It's in the way it has evolved to battle the desert heat. Boasting a unique cooling system that allows it to withstand temperatures over 100 degrees Fahrenheit. The blood flowing to its brain is chilled through a specialized network of capillaries, allowing it to stay sharp and focused while the sun blazes overhead. And when water is scarce, which is almost always, the oryx adapts, pulling every ounce of moisture from the dry grasses and leaves it finds, ensuring it can endure even the most brutal droughts. Traveling in close-knit groups, the oryx has learned that there's safety in numbers. Together, they navigate the endless dunes, searching for food and water in a journey that defines their lives. When threatened, they form a unified front, wielding their horns with deadly precision, striking at a predator's weakest points. Each thrust is a testament to their strength, and when those sharp points hit their mark, even the fiercest hunters back down. The desert oryx doesn't just survive, it thrives. This magnificent creature embodies the raw power, beauty, and unwavering determination of life in the Namib. It's a warrior, a survivor, and a legend of the desert, reminding us all that even in the harshest conditions, life finds a way not only to endure, but to flourish. In the heart of Namibia's rugged landscapes, the misunderstood yet remarkable world of the spotted hyena comes alive in a story of survival, strength, and unexpected complexity. Known to many by their haunting laughter and notorious reputation as scavengers, these resilient predators are so much more than meets the eye. Adapting to a vast range of habitats, savannas, grasslands, and even Namibia's dry, semi-arid regions, spotted hyenas demonstrate survival skills that rival even the most formidable predators. With a bone-crushing bite force of over 1,100 pounds per square inch, these hyenas can access nutritious marrow hidden deep within bones, a feat even lions struggle to match. But their physical prowess is only one part of their fascinating survival story. What truly sets them apart is their complex matriarchal social structure. Living in clans of up to 80 members, each hyena has a role in maintaining the group's strength and unity. Female leaders call the shots, ensuring the clan operates with cohesion, especially in their strategic group hunting. Together, they can take down prey as large as zebras or even buffalo, relying on their remarkable persistence and well-coordinated teamwork. This unity is essential, especially when competing with powerful predators like lions and leopards, who often attempt to steal their kills. Yet hyenas rarely back down. Their clan loyalty and fierce tenacity often allow them to defend their hard-won meals against even the largest of rivals. The hyena's world is one of constant challenge, where battles aren't only fought with lions, but also with rival hyena clans vying for territory. Clan wars can be fierce, resulting in injuries or loss on both sides. Yet through their rigid social structure and deep bond, these remarkable predators defend their home and each other with unwavering courage. This documentary unveils the true spirit of the spotted hyena, a world where strength, loyalty, and intelligence blend to create one of Africa's most resilient survivors. Next in this tale of survival comes the Hartmann's mountain zebra, a striking herbivore uniquely adapted to the rugged mountainous and arid highlands of Namibia, particularly in the regions of Damaraland and the southwestern mountains. With their black and white striped coats, each individual zebra boasts a unique pattern, a signature of nature's creativity and diversity. But these stripes are more than just a visual trademark. Alternating dark and light bands help them navigate extreme desert temperatures, with the black stripes absorbing and white stripes dissipating heat, enabling the zebra to maintain a stable body temperature even in sweltering conditions. Remarkably, these stripes also offer a clever form of camouflage, making it harder for predators like lions and leopards to lock onto their target. The Hartmann's mountain zebra is built for this demanding terrain, with long, slender legs and specialized hooves that grip and stabilize them on the rocky, uneven ground where few other animals can tread. They maneuver cliffs and steep slopes with surprising ease, a vital skill that allows them to evade predators and access scarce resources like water and food. In Namibia's harsh landscape, where finding water can mean the difference between life and death, the Hartmann's zebra has mastered the art of survival, subsisting on dry, nutrient-poor vegetation, including tough leaves, bark, shrubs, and even certain cactus plants that most animals can't digest. This ability not only reduces competition for food, but also sustains them through the punishing dry season. These zebras thrive in small groups, a strategy that bolsters their survival. Living in tight-knit bands helps them detect and fend off threats. In the rugged mountains where visibility is often limited, more eyes mean a better chance to spot predators early. When threatened, they band together, their stripes blending in a dizzying pattern that confuses would-be attackers. Adults sometimes form a protective ring around the young, minimizing the risk of a direct attack. Alongside this group strategy, Hartmann zebras possess remarkable endurance and speed. Though not the fastest of their kind, they can reach speeds of 35 to 40 miles per hour and sustain this pace over rough, rocky terrain. This endurance is crucial, especially when they need to escape danger quickly. Thanks to these survival strategies, from camouflage and group living to impressive speed and endurance, the Hartmann's mountain zebra has adapted almost perfectly to Namibia's unforgiving landscape, sustaining a robust population of around 25,000 individuals in the wild. With such adaptations, they've managed not only to survive, but to thrive, a resilient symbol of the tenacity life exhibits under nature's most rigorous tests. And as we leave behind the zebra's tail, we turn our gaze to the mighty desert-dwelling oryx with its imposing horns and the desert elephant, giants whose survival depends on their extraordinary memory and unique instincts, truly the nomads of the desert, forever wandering and thriving in Africa's wild heart. The desert elephants of Namibia stand as true icons of resilience, having adapted magnificently to one of the world's harshest landscapes, where water and food are scarce. Primarily found in the arid reaches of the Namib Desert, especially in regions like Damaraland and Kaokoland, these incredible creatures display remarkable versatility in their diet, feeding on anything from fruits and grasses to tough tree bark and roots. Their survival is not just a marvel of nature, but the result of thousands of years of evolution. Unlike their savanna counterparts, these elephants are slightly smaller, averaging between 8 to 11 feet tall and weighing up to 13,000 pounds. This smaller frame helps them consume less water and food, an essential adaptation in their resource-limited habitat. Living in small, tight-knit groups of 5 to 20 individuals, these desert elephants form strong social bonds, usually under the wise leadership of an older, experienced female. In a place where every drop of water and scrap of food is precious, the herd's cooperation is essential. They work together tirelessly to locate resources, protect each other from threats, and most importantly, shield the vulnerable calves. This solidarity increases the young elephant's chances of survival in the challenging desert. Communication is key to their success, with these elephants using a range of sounds, from powerful roars to low-frequency rumbles, known as infrasound, which can travel up to 6 miles. However, it's their exceptional memory that truly astounds. In a land where water is the most prized resource, Their ability to recall the locations of water sources, even ones visited years prior, becomes their lifeline. They can trek tens of miles each day to reach these hidden aquifers, tapping into ancient pathways embedded in their collective memory, a feat of endurance and wisdom passed down through generations. This memory doesn't just guide them to water. It also helps them avoid past dangers, like hunting traps or areas with human activity. Adult elephants form a protective barrier around the young, creating a formidable shield against potential threats from lions, hyenas, or even human dangers. Their collective strength, size, and intelligence have enabled these desert giants to survive and even thrive in such an unforgiving environment. Through their unity, memory, and strength, the desert elephants embody the wisdom and resilience needed to endure life's toughest trials, a testament to nature's incredible ability to adapt and persevere. As we bid farewell to these gentle desert giants, we are left in awe of their enduring spirit and profound connection to their world. As we continue our journey through the enigmatic Namib Desert, brace yourself for a face-to-face encounter with Africa's fastest predator, the cheetah. Known for its sleek build and lightning speed, the cheetah, or gepardo, roams vast stretches of Africa, including the desert plains and semi-arid regions of Namibia. Here, in the wilds of the Namib Desert, where survival hangs by a thread with every step, the cheetah stands as a symbol of raw speed and agility. This slender, nimble creature can go from 0 to a blazing 70 miles per hour in mere seconds, a design marvel for short, intense chases. With its long legs and flexible spine, the cheetah is made to sprint, reaching peak speed in an instant to strike down prey in just 20 to 30 seconds. But the Namibian desert, with its relentless heat, is a brutal arena. Life here is a battle, and the African cheetah has mastered both the art of the hunt and the strategy of survival. With sharp vision and keen hearing, it can spot prey from afar, stealthily approaching before launching an explosive, silent strike. Even after a successful hunt, the cheetah faces further challenges, often needing to eat fast before other predators swoop in to snatch its prize. To conserve energy, this big cat hunts only when necessary, spending most of its day resting in the shade, preserving its strength in the blazing desert sun. This remarkable energy management and self-control are critical to the cheetah's survival in such an unforgiving landscape. In the Namib, where every bit of speed, skill, and efficiency counts, the cheetah thrives as one of nature's top predators, a testament to the brilliance of nature's design. Perhaps these cats really are blessed, perfectly attuned to endure and excel in the most extreme environments on Earth. As our journey deepens through Namibia's rugged desert, we encounter the true warriors of this harsh land, the black rhinoceros. With its iconic horn, this creature stands as a formidable symbol of power, strength, and resilience, a vital defense in the wilderness. Found primarily in Namibia's arid and semi-arid regions, the black rhino has adapted remarkably to these harsh conditions, where food and water are often scarce. Unlike typical herbivores, the black rhino isn't a grazer. Instead, it skillfully selects leaves and shrubs, especially from low trees and small bushes. This careful dietary selection, paired with its ability to survive days without water by drawing moisture from food, allows the black rhino to outlast even the most challenging dry spells. At up to 3,000 pounds, the black rhino is surprisingly agile, capable of sprinting up to 35 miles per hour when threatened, swiftly evading danger or even charging at foes. Equipped with two keratin-based horns similar to human hair and nails, yet remarkably dense, the black rhino wields these horns for defense, feeding, and territorial fights. Male rhinos clash in fierce battles for territory or mating rights. Their powerful horn strikes, capable of inflicting severe, even fatal injuries on rivals or predators like lions and hyenas. Yet, the same horns that empower the black rhino are the reason this majestic animal faces grave threats. Valued in some cultures for traditional medicine and decorative use, rhino horns have made these animals prime targets for poachers. Despite stringent global protection efforts, poaching has surged, with over 1,000 rhinos killed annually between 2007 and 2014, a tragedy that has decimated their populations. Conservation measures have seen a slight population recovery in recent years, but the black rhino remains one of the world's most endangered species. While its horns are symbols of resilience, they are also the reason for its peril. Protecting the black rhino is about more than saving a single species. It's a vital step in preserving ecological balance and natural heritage for future generations. Now we come face to face with the most iconic predator of Namibia, the desert lion. These magnificent creatures are more than just symbols of raw power and dominance. They are masters of adaptation, thriving in one of Earth's harshest landscapes. Known as the king of the desert, the Namibian desert lion is a unique marvel among lion species. Over generations, these lions have evolved special traits and sophisticated hunting strategies to endure the brutal life of the Namib, one of the oldest and most unforgiving deserts in the world. Desert lions possess an incredibly sturdy build, with adult males weighing between 420 and 500 pounds and females, ranging from 265 to 350 pounds. Although large, they are more compact and muscular than their savanna relatives, an adaptation that allows them to navigate the soft, scorching sands with ease and conserve energy during lengthy hunts. Their agility is crucial not only for hunting, but also for survival in a place where each step can mean life or death. Their coats, often lighter than those of savanna lions, blend seamlessly with the desert sands, providing natural camouflage that enhances their stealth. The manes of male desert lions are typically thinner and lighter, a key adaptation that prevents overheating under the blazing desert sun. In an environment where water is scarce, the desert lion has adapted to survive extended periods without drinking, drawing moisture from the blood and flesh of their prey. This impressive resilience reduces their need to seek out water sources, which can often be controlled by rival predators. Under the punishing sun of the Namib, where life is a constant test against extreme heat and scarce resources, the desert lion has claimed its place as a true survival expert. These lions often target large prey like antelopes, zebras, and sometimes even young elephants, selecting animals with high nutritional value that can sustain the pride for days. Once the prey is spotted, they deploy a calculated strategy, surrounding it from multiple directions with the cooperation of the entire pride. The lionesses, typically leading the hunt, coordinate skillfully to corner and bring down their quarry, while the male lions, with their superior strength and size, often step in during the final moments of the chase to tackle large prey or guard the kill from rival predators like hyenas. Yet, even these apex predators face immense challenges. Desert lions not only battle the relentless scarcity of food and water, but also engage in fierce competition with other predators. They conserve energy wisely, often seeking shade during the hottest hours to avoid water loss and maintain their strength for future hunts. It's through these intricate survival and hunting strategies that the desert lions do more than survive. They dominate the vast, arid landscape stretching from the Namib to the Kalahari, embodying the resilience and majesty of the desert. Namibia's vast, rugged landscapes don't just host some of the world's most iconic wildlife. They're an intense battleground where survival itself is on the line. The country faces severe challenges, not only from the natural environment, but also from human activities. These threats jeopardize the existence of its species and put immense pressure on the biodiversity and delicate, ecological balance that have sustained life here for millennia. One of the most pressing issues Namibia grapples with is soil degradation and desertification. Problems worsened by overgrazing and unsustainable water use. In desert regions like the Namib and the Kalahari, natural vegetation cover is shrinking, forcing animals like the desert elephant and black rhino to lose their habitats. The loss of this vegetation accelerates soil erosion. While excessive groundwater extraction threatens the survival of crucial plant and animal species. Climate change compounds these issues, altering rainfall patterns and leading to dwindling rivers and natural lakes. Additionally, illegal hunting remains a dire concern, especially for species like the black rhino, whose population, despite conservation efforts, still teeters on the brink of extinction due to high demand for their horns on the black market. Human-wildlife conflicts are also escalating, particularly with desert elephants, spotted hyenas, and desert lions. When these animals can't find water or food in their natural habitats, they often encroach upon farms and grazing lands, damaging crops, attacking livestock, and causing substantial economic losses. To protect Namibia's biodiversity, robust conservation strategies and a wide-reaching cooperation between conservation organizations, the government, and local communities are essential. Namibia has pioneered a model of community conservancies, where locals not only protect natural resources, but directly benefit from conservation activities. One standout success is the conservation of the black rhino. By 2023, rigorous conservation measures, such as anti-poaching patrols and population monitoring, have helped increase the black rhino population to around 5,500 individuals, double the number from 2022. These initiatives not only prevent species extinction, but also boost sustainable ecotourism, a critical income source that plays a vital role in nature conservation. Efforts to address water resource overuse are also underway, with government and non-governmental projects focused on sustainable water management. These include the restoration of temporary rivers and aquifer systems, which conserve water resources and secure habitats vital to water-dependent species like lions and antelope. Raising awareness and educating local communities remain essential in Namibia's conservation strategy, empowering people to understand the value of biodiversity and encouraging active participation in environmental protection. In Namibia's natural symphony, every creature embodies a miraculous resilience, pushing back against the harshest trials that the forces of creation have imposed upon it. Have you ever wondered, in the vast and endless expanse of desert, what gives these animals the strength to survive with such resilience and vigor? If we pause and look closely, we can see the hand of creation at work, weaving every element with purpose and flawless design. Each animal we encounter on this journey tells a powerful story of survival against the odds. Think of Hartmann's mountain zebra, boldly climbing Namibia's rugged escarpments, the spotted hyena, guiding its clan with remarkable social intelligence through the blazing heat, or the African wild dog, swift and strategic, hunting with precision and grace. There's the oryx, standing tall in the desert with its sharp horns, the majestic desert elephant, and the cheetah, streaking across the plains like lightning. And of course, the rare black rhino and the noble desert lion, both symbols of strength and endurance. Protecting these natural treasures isn't just a responsibility, it's a way of honoring creation itself. We're called to unite in safeguarding these magnificent creatures and their breathtaking habitats, making our planet a truly special place. The beauty and resilience of Namibia and of Africa as a whole serve as a constant reminder of the gift we've been given. A world filled with natural wonders worthy of our care and awe. Let's ensure this dance of life continues to inspire our hearts and lift our spirits for generations to come.